All right, blockchain cards here. I was able to actually get one of these food fight code cards and redeem them. So we're going to actually do a quick little unboxing here real quick as we can go to the Atomic Hub to do the unboxing. I'll leave a link below to this. But anyways, so pack number 18 out of 10,000, I guess, allegedly that they're going to make as far as pre-mint. So these are all pre-minted packs, which are nice as we can see here. So, you know, there's no rush to basically open these. The first mints, I assume, are going to be in here along with the other things. Of course, we're looking for some of the, you know, the sketches, the signatures, and of course the golden card, which is like the holy grail of these packs. So all you need to do is just click on unbox. It's going to ask you for your blockchain signature approval here. As we can see here, click here to claim the card. So we're going to click that. It's actually going to ask you for another transaction to sign, and we're going to do that real quick. And now we should have the pack opening, as we can see here, and 3 cards should drop. Ooh, okay. So we got a see, as you can see, the pre-mint will tell you what number you have. So this is number 343, and we got a Prism A and a Burning Up Bernie. So that's basically what the thing is. So good luck, everyone, and definitely follow me on Twitter and join our Telegram. Thank you.